This is an Adobe Express video on how to upload a couple of video clips and add some audio to them and some title. So I'm going to click Create Video. This pops up. This plus also is another way to create a new video, but I'm going to go to Standard and I'm just going to choose Landscape. And then now that I'm here, I want to add some media. So I'm going to click on Add Media. I'm going to choose video from up here. I'm going to upload from my device. I'll just do these three and open those. Cool. So here are my videos. If I click on them, I can add some effects. There's some color stuff. I do not recommend using the fade in, fade out. There's a transition that you can use instead. But if you were using it for some other reason other than just like switching from clip to clip, this is a good spot for animation. Editing, you can also do some adjusting here. So there's contrast, brightness, all those kind of like basic settings. And yeah, so that's editing the image. So we have 3 clips here. I'm just going to shorten this to make them shorter. And I can drag this little slider. This is like a scrubber. So you can scrub through the video and see how things look. And I'm just going to show you the like no transition from one video to the next. Just straight cut. A dissolve transition. So there's a little plus here. I'm going to click that and I'm going to say add a transition and I'm just going to use dissolve. So dissolve will just fade in and out. Cool. There's that one. We're going to add one here too. Add a transition, fade. Okay. So yeah, there's a few more in here. Use what serves your video best. So now we have our 3 clips. You can expand your timeline so you can kind of see closer into the videos and really get a sense of like where you're trimming them down to. Once, if you trim them down, they'll just keep popping next to each other, which is handy. You can shrink that back down to see everything all at once. And let's add some audio. There's this add audio button here, but you can also always go to add content. So I'm going to click media. I'm going to go to the audio tab. You can upload a file here. I am going to just choose something to be quick. 1730. Let's do, what does this sound like? You can preview it by clicking the plus or the Sure, why not? Okay, 30 seconds. So if I want to add it, I just click in here and not the play, and that will just automatically add it. And I want to turn the audio off on my video. If you were going to add a second audio track here, you would do the same thing. You would go up to add content, media. I'll just add a second audio just because we're here. Let's see, I'll do, sure, Magic Wind. So it'll just layer them and then you can click through them to sort of highlight them. I'm just going to get rid of that one. All right, so I want the audio of these to be turned off. So I'm going to click on each one, excuse me. And you can, there's a couple ways you can do this. You can click in the video editing thing. You can also, if I choose this one, there's a little handy dandy mute button up here. And I'm going to turn this one off. Cool. And then just for the sake of brevity, I'm just going to like trim these to fit the audio track. And then, oh yeah, you can also adjust the volume. So if the audio is a little too loud, I'm going to turn it way down for the sake of this video. And also you can do an in-out fade and you can tell it how fast you want it to fade in and out or how slow. So we'll just do a fairly quick fade in and out. And here is our video. I'll just play, let's see, I'll just play from this transition. Cool. So now we have a video. There's a few ways that you can download and share this video. If you click on share, it kind of gives you all of the options. There's a save button that allows you to save it, to download it. You can save it straight to your Google Drive if you want. You can save it straight to Vimeo. This will ask you to connect to Vimeo or Dropbox or OneDrive. And yeah, there are also in share, you can share just the link straight from Express. You'll want to change it from only invited people to anyone with the link so that, you don't have to invite anyone. This won't be public. You'll have to have the link to find it. Yeah, and when you download, it takes a couple minutes to do it. It asks a few more. Let's do it. I'll just start it and then I'll go. So if I hit download, it asks what kind of file format. MP4 is great. 1080 is the original size, and that works great. So I wouldn't go smaller than 1080 if possible. And then you click download. It takes a little bit of time, and it downloads straight to your downloads folder. You can also connect YouTube video and download it or upload it straight to YouTube. Cool. All right. Thanks.